Vit FM na matakango. Hey, go nung outs palang show. Hindi na muna nga nilipin na
All right. Well, good morning to each and everyone joining this morning, especially to the student.
All right.
Year 12, the year 13.
Right.
Not forgetting the year 1 to year 11.
Yeah, I heard you also went into year 14.
Year 14 ko rin na university. Good morning to this one.
Which one?
Vani Siradule.
Okay.
Yeah.
From the JD079.
Okay, tuning in.
To Pau Sebo kay Chief Supervisor.
Okay.
St. Vincent College. Master Vani Siradule.
Yeah.
Thank you very much for joining this morning.
All right.
And not forgetting Elonitui and the squad.
Belum na ka?
Elonitui and the squad, they are joining right now.
Yeah.
This is from the Zabu Zabu,
Yeah. Zabu.
the Paradise, the Hidden,
All right.
and the Tabiraki squad.
All right.
To the driver Firos,
Yeah.
Brote, Mbulio Leti, Drago.
Good morning,
This
good morning.
Drago, the Bill Drago.
Yeah.
Kami Mboso Miki this morning.
We say good morning to Matias Yaya Tangimbao.
Right.
Ada pinaka naita, wombo tango na kanta tungo turanganita.
Iyo.
Ada may nonton pulang itu kay tuka na sigini mataka.
Iya.
Ada nonton ko na baru taki ada pakarimba malam.
Right.
Bekam tanong na boleh ni nalo to maimbahan dami da siguro namu do bitarungi an baking ko boleh ni na katen ni lakak kata kay lamaway.
Iyo.
Ave J by new by niwa na ibudi ni tasiri bilang andolo buto maimba kay na soba etu ate may tonge maimba
Right.
na loma ni GS 586 binando Ricky.
Andra pinaka.
Karangalem style.
Andra pinaka.
Well, good morning to all the parents out there.
Yeah.
And not forgetting all the supervisor for the truthfulness.
Iyo.
Looking for the children
Right.
for their examination.
Yeah.
And also to the services. Koralingan ni Bengarabi.
Okay.
Bring the cup, the juice.
Right.
Bring the water.
Right.
To all the school management.
Right,
in
right.
different school organization.
Yeah.
Joining this morning. And not forgetting
Yeah.
the people outside Fiji.
Okay.
Yeah.
That's from the outer islands.
Right.
In the overseas base.
How about if you are asked to go and supervise
Yeah.
the examination in Ratulugi?
Truthfulness.
Tukuno juga ya.
Truth.
Mate nga.
Yeah.
Merito ko merede tunangon ni kana.
Iyo.
Ya nakita ko mekana boru chika mode.
More than mera tombo kede nangon.
Papulo sika ni Antonio Naisaki.
Iya.
Ro bulo binaka bano ni binaka tuya ni Salvesio Kerna Dangilamba.
Yeah.
Bulo binaka bi Poli ni Reini Mabila Isenia.
Iya.
Good morning to Sketch Rocko.
Wow.
Tuning all the way from Dokan Isuba.
Ada pinaka. Borom sumita diru ni Andra.
Thank you very much. Congratulations to the army officer
Okay.
for the graduate pass out yesterday.
Yeah.
Thank you very much for the love,
Right.
for the patience.
Right.
Some of them they are crying in tears
Dina, sir.
because the
Dina,
feeling
sir.
there.
Yeah.
Some of them they are the first one in the family
Dina.
to be there. Some of
Bagus,
them
sir,
yeah.
they already passed out.
Right.
The one who raised them up
Right.
already gone.
Already gone.
They are wish enough
Yeah.
for them to be there.
Right.
Wadi mate lebu tu kadi bale-bale.
Right.
Kita bukan recu bentar tu brother menokoro. So ni turanga.
Oh, bro boleh.
Dah boleh besar tadi na
Iya.
na bosota.
Pasal.
Pasal.
Na kamar itu tiba-tiba tu kau tabiam. Kau
Oh.
tiba-tiba, I wish I was an
Officer.
You just share the story when the first time you interview for the military officer when you come there, your brother there. What does your brother said?
Oh, mau kita kelang seri.
Ya biar na post office abe kan?
Iya.
Kama itu ribolan na siya na noa.
Right.
Kita sama kau bilang siya na ito kani.
Dono belaka.
Kita pembuatan niyo nindo tali tak cuma na orang kada mata be kadi kuah.
Right.
Lingan bi garabi nonta lingan ni wow. Nonta punua ki kimenin na tu ya na bugni Vitalai.
Iya.
Ada biasa berburan ni Andra di mata bidak. Baka buli.
Iya.
Saya kata-kata.
Okay.
My the Civic Coastal School compound, this one tuning all the way from there.
Iya.
Neni wale siapa tu kemain dolo kemba, benar benar. Wah, dolo kemba.
Yeah.
Sar sa cuma iyan nama takan di dolo benar.
Yeah.
Right.
Okay, this morning we were talking about the important thing
Iya.
is for you like young mothers to talk to your papa.
Right. Don't use the phone.
Iyo.
Some
Sakwa na,
mothers,
iyo,
they
iyo.
use the cocomelon
Gori
and put the phone there.
to meme to the
Right,
papa.
to maybe no.
Iyo.
The olden days, eh?
Iyo.
Marah to meme na make ni marah na.
Right. Iya.
Like tendalo kota.
Pos.
Okay.
Go under na kiri di
Alright.
tamayabu.
Right.
Men langa tabi kaya sona serni meme makau.
Right.
Yeah, please.
You know,
Yeah.
mothers,
Yeah.
they play an important role,
Mother's Club.
especially when they're
Play what?
raising children. Important role. They play.
My.
So when you see them,
Yeah.
they feeding the baby,
Right.
don't ever disturb them.
Yeah, din sir.
Okay. This time like what?
Baka di ko ya.
Yeah.
You stand up and go and doing something. No.
Yeah.
Let the baby eat in the comfort zone.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
The green zone.
The green zone.
Right.
Never disturb or let your mama
Yeah.
crying,
Yeah.
let your mama angry. Never.
Sometimes start
Don't do
calling
that.
from the red zone.
Yeah.
Daddy,
Yeah.
stop it.
Yeah.
I hate that. Don't ever disturb mama
Yeah.
I love
while
Feeding papa. While
feeding papa.
Right.
If you want to in the red zone,
Yeah.
Right.
you meet the Red Bull.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Ni kuwa me kito na coach kada lis talit.
Diri sa-
Ko sa libro ngon sa mimi tungan talibodi.
Yeah.
Nangon ni mimi makaw ng rambumbu na kordem skere.
Yes.
So na meke makaw sa lang.
English
More
version,
than- okay.
Sa mabits. Pero mo sa nangon na
More than nunggu papa, tinamu sa laki lang basa, woli man ray ka ng bata. More than nunggu papa,
Right.
more than nunggu doli, tinamu sa laki na usori, lay woli man ray ka na loli. More than nunggu doli,
That's right.
more than nunggu doli.
Ikaw kurang bu ni rawat
Yeah.
singa nangon Okay, while talking to the baby.
Yeah.
Na matan ran lako may sa tapat kina matam.
Right.
Na eye contact na bon.
Bon sana.
Yeah.
Don nante mis.
Akam?
While the mother is feeding the baby,
Yeah.
lang siya na servaya.
Yeah.
O papa na ilo ni matana na sa tomba may nana.
Yes.
Na eye contact na pagdating na bone.
Right.
Ang rubi siya matisiga.
Yeah.
That's truthfulness.
Kuni right siya mo papa, iko
Yeah.
right tali siya mo manua.
Never. Concentrate while you are feeder.
Right.
Yeah. Never concentrate.
Yeah.
Because one day,
Don't lose concentration.
don't lose concentration.
Yeah.
What you are feeding,
Yeah.
one day it will be backward.
Yeah.
Will be
feed back.
It will feed back.
Yeah.
You have to be careful.
Yeah.
If you feed the right thing,
Yeah.
he will backward the right thing. If you are feed the
thing.
unconceptible concentrator,
Yeah.
never. You will never receive
Right.
the right amount
Yeah.
of vapor coming from.
Bill said, sometimes nana na matana chuko bitata.
Never do that, mama. Mama, please. Never do that.
Because tata yell.
Hey,
Hey.
draw alat sila check
Iya,
cross.
wangor into babu nakalito tolo.
Still on the baby, still talking about the
Yeah.
baby.
Yeah.
Why there is this word? Dapat kasabi. Why?
Baka sabi,
Yeah. Please. Yeah.
Very long
please,
story.
long story. When the government say maternity leave to the mama,
Yeah.
you daddy,
Yeah.
you live away,
Yeah.
live.
Yeah.
I remember
Yeah.
in the village,
Go to the forest.
go to the forest to Mokili. I remember in the village,
Yeah.
the grandma from the village,
Right.
when somebody like give birth, mese tinaningone, lelai,
Yeah.
they hate to see the wife. Yeah, please. They hate the husband to be there.
Right.
Yeah.
They will chase the husband. Go.
Sleep in the kitchen.
Bad smell.
You go. You no good.
Yeah.
Never come to the. Isang mantani bataray mito sa wala kamay.
Right.
Isa man nga nila kuna.
Yeah.
Saka mi tali ta kan boy kiti watching.
Yeah, never. They hate the husband.
Kaya waya may sembulo chuko ne.
Iya.
Oh.
Na maram
Iya, dira sar.
Oh.
Dira sar.
Yeah, some they will,
Yeah.
they will not consider it enough. Maybe the mother-in-law passed away.
Right.
Yeah.
So they will be there alone.
Yeah.
So husband will take advantage of that. Never. Never.
Like you. Eh?
No. Kaka. No. Kaka. Never. No.
Okay, isa na stage din pula lebe. The stages of life, eh?
Yeah.
1 month, 2 month. At sa saralay siko rechi bolim bula dula. Kan nanda papalay kede mai.
Right.
Tu na nonda kede talo no, ah. Sa takali ke. No, iko sekali le se uduluka. Iko sekali le se udi tukamo.
Iyo.
Sa kasi mai sa udi imbu.
Yeah, right. Batu ya.
Lay Lako taka bibili basing and taka ro da kakek ba.
Right.
So it's important for young mothers out there
Yeah.
to look after the papalilay.
Right.
Then the biro kona bingkar na pagsuit.
Especially to us husband.
Yeah.
We play a bigger role.
Right.
If mama there doing the
Maybe.
babysitter,
Yeah, babysit.
you there doing the kitchen fever.
Gori saranga.
You basanga.
Gori.
Basanga, you took the tea.
Yeah.
Ndangarabira
Sama-sama na nga,
naka.
sama-sama.
Iya, sama-sama. Ndangarabira na kana watinda so that they can merma kututiko.
Right.
You,
Yeah.
please, husband,
Right.
love the surrounding.
Yeah. You can
Yeah.
come, husband come and we gonna kebe.
Yeah, can,
Yeah.
but in front, elomani bali. Never do in the dark zone. Never.
Ya we gonna ba mo de ngone.
Kuah, kere-kere. Sule bimbu, ngor nita binimbu.
Okay, last question. Ela kan to siya na matali kuha.
Right.
Kasama sa kumano kada to biti kada bese burbura.
Right.
Ngoni sa kalikin no ko dams. Mena koro. Ano bina kan re na. Rong chuma na matakango. Na imate ni kakan da the first food iko kania na ngau na iko kalikina.
Utundru.
Utundreng ngor na. Erobi ko nana. Halo, kan to mo sa barumel na kambe ka. Tarauta sa rangay. Yo, binabala mo.
Kan utol lang ako.
Sebo na Serena.
Eh, wo jadi kau maget ko na kana bun.
Dapat ni kau lala may way dulu. Yo, binabala punches. We love you all. The breadfruit.
Bina boleh besar to na so na kalalai kita bi pasal tentu kini be kimene tinani ngone like
Tor bila.
tinani ngone sutu bo. Atagi mena ngone ka ko tele ba wel di dian.
Iya.
Reda na wel ni non randavo, reta cuma bina ke warai.
Right.
To ni bina kan norto namu.
Din sar.
Biar lo main nalu bantai. Sa.
Ano mo tiko tali taka maro taka chika na program ni palang iso. Panen re ko na mataka ni kuha.
Dina.
Donom like shit no page. So page ko lewa na mer saram talaga rom friends. Panen chika ni mail na dale kada kada ko chika no nan rende.
Dombula.
Ochone turanga beto junior. Ni vale text tu idina. Ada
Iyo.
mai.
Ana itu kutukun din, kilaw kanda. Ina daw ba level tatu na nang karabin na lebender kena no mementa lay tau to kutunan tabing karabin dir sa bosa. Dir sa tombal senga. Gosar nga, senga wala nga ni salay sudu may tumba. Nangaw na sa ngay kuni takitukin. Kakuni mo rota kina. Kisa sobi ken daw take advantage ta kaya. Ni sa tigong bimbio na. Mo ngay nanu mamola ko tigong mabita, musin la ko bitalia baka mo lagi maraw to ka. Mo yasa. Nanu mati ko padunre na loina. Ni padunre na loina na duru tale ngongone. Na singa tuni tau doko. Na ke baka wala ka tu sona lalalai. Enta kile kenda tunga. Nimbera ni ra mera ni ra ngole balimbula. Ndona yang gona. Kere bo soiti na matani nga saw.
Matakali dala ba ta yamu.
Oh kana dala nga ni
Kesiangan ni o zakangona. Kesini zakangona. Dongan tamani ngone tukuri biu ya. Kaya kayo sin takay ngona. Kaya kung tuwa na takay ngona. Lepo solo ang talaga yung ngone.
Talagang doon na ba?
Kasi mo sa chibing ngone.
Style mo ko.
Saan naman yung kare mo sa tukilan dul na. Kare mo sa tilo kami papa.
Kun la na.
Nalala ro na. Usan biutan na kinabakan dua. Olay ba ang bulang-bulang yan ang ruto do kasara na bital-tal.
Kaya na ako na yota Sabay pa ka tu na biwa sutu belum mani wala pero sina di. Uta tu talamen dren lang ato ni tulto na mo. Dan kumbu-kumbu tu. Na Bollywood nga, na Bollywood.
Ben ko ba island mo na kami kasanita rokotaro. Mo ni nakatian na matakan.
Pina boleh besar beto kan kita sana may tabe kaya ngayon takatuyani siya takatuyani. Kasi nga edit takatuyani kay bibido tuyani nom TikTok.
Right.
Nanon ta video lagi-lagi na matakan ko.
Right.
Ko kurumundo.
Ya umi kagalang bula.
Engot